In this video, I'll show you how to add a new user to your Dell laptop. Whether you want to create an administrator account or a standard guest account, the process is simple. First, open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Then click to open it. In the top right corner, find the View By option and change it to Large Icons. Next, click on User Accounts, then select Manage Another Account. After that, click on Add a New User in PC Settings. Now, click the Add Account button. You'll have the option to create a Microsoft account, but if you prefer a local account, choose I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then click Add a User without a Microsoft account. Enter a username for the new account, and if you want, set a password. Once done, click Next, and the new user will be created. If you'd like to give this account administrator privileges, select the account, click Change Account Type, and switch it to Administrator. And that's it. That's how you add a new user on your Dell laptop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Dell tutorials. Thanks for watching.